chicken adobo is from Philippines.
Philippines.
Nilamas. Nadamo.
That's why I love to sit with you and drink banana.
During the time?
Mac
And then
mukbang.
this one? That's good.
Alright. Guys, update lang. Maaga pa. Oras natin. 10:35. Ayan. Wala pang pagkain na nakalagay dito. Dito wala pa rin. Maaga pa eh. Ngayon, may dala tayong extension cord. Ito. Seset natin to dito. Yan, dyan. May barbecue dyan mamaya. Tupa, baka, tuna, manok. Yan, dito. Kaya, hindi tayo sa loob kakain mamaya. Sa labas dyan tayo sa labas. Seset na natin to. Ayan o. Okay. Hugasan tayong kamay. Time takes 12 to. Barbecue tayo ngayon, barbecue. Babacak yun eh. Madami na kumakain ako kasi barbecue ngayon eh. Ano dito? Hey, lettuce. Lettuce, tsaka corn. Sweet corn. Ano kaya ito? Ano kaya yan? Leche plan? Leche. Chicken curry. Yeah, bro, how are you? Meron tayo ngayon, oh. Ayan. Ladies finger, okra. Soup. Vegetable soup. Pwede. Alright. Pero masasarap doon tayo sa labas. Ano doon eh? Grill. Lamb. Kakamay tayo ngayon.
He's to be broken, and I don't know what to know who I am.
Barbecue तुम्ही बेरो का बच्चा बेरो का तुम्ही barbecue outside. Tara, nasa labas. You? Barbecue. Yes, barbecue. I love barbecue. Brother. Okay ne.
Good.
Oh, bro, how are you, chef?
Good.
Okay, ta. What you have today?
We have barbecue, grill, tuna.
Your beef?
Yeah,
Beef,
kebab.
lamb. Beef kebab. You don't have lamb?
No.
Alright. Masarap pa rin yan. Kaya, dami na natin kain dito. Kaya, dito tayo puposisyon. Mas malapit. Mas maraming kain. Ito, pwede na to. Nilamas. Nadamo. Yum. Yes. Beef kebab. You know beef kebab?
Sorry?
Beef kebab.
ये क्या है मत से
Pag kayo nahulog,
मत से
so hindi kayo mahal, kakaba-kaba. Malayo ah. How about this one? Cheese, salami?
Halloumi cheese.
Alumi cheese.
Halloumi cheese?
Samihin na natin yan. Sarap yan.
Anda kau anda.
White fish or? Sorry.
Fish tuna, white fish.
Tuna and white fish. Tuna also. May white fish na tayo. May tuna pa tayo. Wala tayong hilig sa grill. What is one? Beef.
Lamb, beef kebab.
Beef ka ba? Oh. Basta yan. Tayo Chicken. I think I want well done. Thank you. Yeah, yes please. Hey Vida, how are you?
How are you, Matt?
That's good. What you? Oh yeah, I forgot to get that.
There's no lamb today.
There's no lamb today. I'm also searching lamb. But anyway, partida yan. May tawag tayo. Kumakain ako, may tawag tayo. Ha?
You're sitting there?
Yes, I'm sitting here. Yep. Oh, thank you. Yes, please. All right.
For me, no chicken. I
No
don't
chicken. I want well done. Very good, please. Salami.
You don't eat spicy?
I used to eat, but sometimes, even always fine. It doesn't matter for me. Even salted. Spicy or what? Fine.
Do you find any new cases of COVID in your department? You are safe, right?
I'm always safe. I don't have it. Everyone wants to positive result to get quarantined for
Because to get
7
rest.
days. Yeah, in this room, right? White fish?
This is mukbang or what?
I want to do mukbang.
Mac
And then this
mukbang.
one is beef.
Kima.
Huh?
Kima.
Kima.
Mutton.
Really?
Minced mutton.
Really? I want to eat with hand. Okay.
Mukbang over.
Yeah. We don't eat food. And I don't want to eat food. Or teaspoon also to make it.
But the thing is, you don't have chili.
Yeah. It should be. It should be there. And the setup should be closer to the camera.
With all the sound.
Yeah. Properly headset, headphone. There's a lot. Hello.
Meow. No, I don't like this. I want. So I'm coming to.
I bite it.
That's the real mukbang.
Yeah.
I think that.
Cut my tongue. Much better. I'll keep yourself until a quiet place. That's the next floor, right? I know what to be. I know what to be right now. You don't need to tell me. It's fine. I understand.
You don't like people to come in asking how are you? I'm fine living, you know.
Yeah? Did I ask you? I know you
That's why I
know.
love to visit you.
Yeah?
That's why I love to sit with you and just be normal.
During the time? I saw you in a gym. Tama, tell us. I'm okay. normal. When you're going vacation,
June.
let's go.
What about you?
I'm planning to go next month.
Yeah. You went before me.
Yeah.
You're not searching for any other place?
Right now, I'm quite bored. I don't want to spend my life, full life in it.
I need
Work.
some change.
Exactly. For what I'm aiming before, I will still stick on that.
But until a better job, you have to stick.
Exactly.
You cannot just leave before getting a job.
Yeah. We are always selecting for the better one.
Yeah. Everybody, this is a
Exactly.
normal life.
Yeah.
Even the GMs, the RMs.
You're right. You cannot stick in one place. You cannot stay in one place
Yep.
forever. Especially we are far away from our family. And I understand that is not all about that you have different feelings. I mean, it's not all about we have a different situation. We have the same situation as a worker in. But you feel, what I feel, everyone is the same.
Yeah.
Because we are working so far away from our family, but we're suffering everything. But we are in different perspective.
Yeah.
How we will drive.
But the feeling is same.
Exactly. It depends on you how you drive your life. Yeah, I can say that every one of us is a survivor.
You know, we feel that we cannot survive without something, but we can. That's not the end of
Definitely.
life, you know.
You're right.
It's just that a little bit feeling
If you look on what
hard in the beginning, but we can survive.
we can, why not? We really for nothing.
Humans are designed to adjust whatever.
Exactly. What we see right now, it's all about materialistic, wealth, health, abundance. Let's say we could separate the health because that is your personal thing. It's all about materialistic. What I want to say is everything is temporary. Yeah.
Like, you know, how do we say it? Suppose we are healthy now, we are living in a good place, but once we are sick, we're going to go to the hospital where we don't like it. But we're still adjusting because we have to, it's needed.
Exactly.
So we still live, we didn't die there.
Right.
It's just like that. Even if we have to live without, in the COVID times, we live without movements of people. We have to live there. So we adjusted,
Yep.
even though it's not a normal life. So human beings are made to adapt in everything.
Yeah. You're right. Since we are breath, there's a chance to give up everything.
To survive and
Survive,
to never give
right.
up, and I will get to this desert.
Broken hearted kasi. Yeah. Hindi mo alam, may hugot.
like we're in the BBQ.
Yeah.
Like both of us just right in front of the BBQ.
I did it. Same thing. Last week. From the other side, Chef Ricardo. And then who got?
I mean,
Emily. Then the other side. I just stay here. I want to stay in the peaceful area, quiet. If you go up inside, it's too crowded and too noisy.
of course.
Everyone was Glenn. Glenn and I. Not Glenn to do. Sometimes it's painful, sometimes it's hard. But what you need to do is enjoy it. That is a part of life.
Yep.
Even suffering, let's enjoy it.
Temporary. Everything's temporary.
It's a part of life. Even your suffering, even your heart, even your happiness, everything. You will not realize how happy you are if you didn't experience the loneliness, the sadness.
Yeah.
Because why not? Why? Because there's no comparison.
Yep.
You know, people are not, how can I say, there's no satisfaction. Always we are aiming and comparing. That's the thing that we need to stop. Stop it. We should be blissful. I mean, thankful, grateful for what we have.
Yeah.
Every day we get up in the bed and we are still
Living.
breathing. Yeah, breathing. But we didn't realize. We didn't
I know.
become grateful for that. So what we are thinking for another problems here in there, looking in the phone, looking social media, there's always break us.
That's what in the yoga I say to all the guests. Like at the end of yoga, we always have a gratitude time. Giving a time to say thank you to what we reach in life. That this morning we wake up, able to move our body.
Exactly. Good. Welcome.
Like occupancy is very high.
It's higher right now, around 89. I hear 89%. It was because recently this afternoon came around 89, and tomorrow will be 93%. And it will get higher and higher until end of the month. Hopefully we will get next month same as well. Hey, did you see me? I'm eating with my hand. You didn't see me, right?
No. Did you post it? Even we used to eat in our hands back home.
But yeah.
And meat and stuff, it's so much comfortable to eat with our hands because the fork and spoon don't work. And the tastiness
That's different. Yeah.
is perfect.
You hear that? Still recording.
Chicken adobo is from Philippines.
Philippines. Amazing.
So they made it here. Do you eat it?
Yeah. Did you taste some?
I like it.
Delicious. With soya.
So in Philippines, your taste is a little bit sweet, spicy.
Yeah.
There is some sweet.
Yeah. There is places that used to have their more what do you call that? The recipe is sweet and sour. Then Sweet and salted.
For us, it's good. I can still eat it, but our main is not sweet and salty. It's just salty
Salted.
and spicy.
In some place, they prepare to always salted. Salted fish, like salted meat. Nice, huh? But in your country, what kind of food you eat normally in the morning?
In the morning,
Yeah.
for us, we don't have this breakfast thing. We start by meal,
Around what time?
morning meal, like 8 to 9 a.m. But we do get up and drink teas and small biscuits. But that's just like you just drink coffee in the morning when you wake up, just like that. It's not a breakfast.
That is the way how you break the fast.
Yes. It's just tea and some biscuits. Then by 9 o'clock morning, we will prepare for a meal, dinner, breakfast. But it is meal. Like it's not something light. It is rice. It is with with how do we say, side dish. So that there we will eat rice and side dish. Okay, vegetables. Just what we eat at lunch. Then the lunch will not be lunch. The lunch will not be meal. The lunch will be breakfast. The lunch is like tea and some like, how do we say, a little bit of evening heavy tea. Something like how do I say, something like
Like a rolled bread, something like that.
yeah, bread or sandwich, something like that with the tea. Then evening by 3 o'clock we have tea, just plain tea, and by 5, 6, 7 we have our dinner.
Yeah, that is heavy.
Yeah, but we never eat late night, 9, 10, this one. 5 to 6 is our dinner, and by the time we sleep 10 o'clock we're already digested.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but this is very good, you know, because
Exactly.
you know why it's done this way? Because those times, our olden ancient times, their main occupation was agriculture, like in the farm.
Agriculture.
So they have, before they start their day, they have to be filled with food to get energy.
Yeah.
They're working in the
energetic, yeah,
fields
exactly.
with the rice paddy fields, and so they need energy. So they eat rice in the morning before they start their day, work hard, and drink tea and some snacks. That's how the life is. And they eat early in the evening. By evening, already morning they eat lunch. So by evening they're hungry early. So 5, 6 o'clock they already finish their dinner. So then they sleep early to start for the next day. That's how we continue till today.
I hear that on your country they love soup also.
Our food is just like Asian, like
Maybe
Thai
same what we have.
Yes.
What we have in Philippines.
Yes. We eat a lot of boiled vegetables. We eat a lot of
Even the pork we boil
Pork
it.
is boiled, beef is boiled.
Yeah.
We do have the curry fry, but the ingredients of the masala is not same. The garnishing. It's not like the Central India garnishing with lots of masala. No, we don't eat. We're very bland diet. Our food is very bland diet.
Cool.
But we like it. So we eat a lot of
on my
cheese.
imaginations I feel
We eat a lot of sambal. You know sambal?
Yeah, sambal.
We
Got
make
the
a lot
sambal?
of sambal. Kind of.
Yes.
With chilies and onions and stuff. I will show you how we make pork. We eat very. So the Central India, when they come to our place, they cannot eat our food. Why? Because they feel it very bland. No spices. They say it's a
Show me.
They say it's a medical sick people food.
Really?
So it's just like that with spinach. Pork
Come
with
on, it's the
cabbage,
same.
coke with
You know,
spinach.
how you boil, the way how you boil that the pork, it looks like sinigang, what we call in Philippines. How can I?
See, even the eating inside, it will not come. That's how we fry it.
Cannot?
It's not coming much. Why? I don't know.
Maybe you need to rotate. Just rotate.
The network is very bad.
Yep. So you can show them.
We have one guy with a mukbang. He eats a lot. Oh my god. Just like
Enough.
you, I think we should do mukbang. I will take a video for
Yeah,
you.
sure,
When
sure,
we have
please.
a nice food.
Yeah.
Here, the internet is so bad or what?
Yep. In this, yeah, I mean, from inside we can get nice. So it's still rotating. See? You know, after you remove the musk from the chicken drumsticks, you can use the part, a bone, to clean your teeth.
Chup karo.
Yeah, toothpick. Nice.
I'm searching for food.
How's it? Can you show me the photo?
I will show not the photo. He will eat the same.
No.
Sa ko chu dia chu in hay là riêng thiệt cho hay giống trạm mua bốc rồi
See?
ta
That's how men will just eat. They love pork too
Oh, I
much.
want to eat again. Hey, he is eating what a bunch of chili.
Yeah, we
Oh,
eat
what?
there that much chili.
It's crunchy. You know the crunchiness of chili.
Yeah, the vegetables are fresh. That's why.
Miso mukbang.
Miso is us.
It's me. I will subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll find him.
Yep.
Alright, anyway, we're done.
We're done.
And see you later. Bye bye. Chef, I'm done. Thank you. Alright. Naman, lusog na naman tayo.